Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariowit and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create Netherite Sword in Minecraft. I will show you how to do it, so you may also subscribe, like, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So what you need to have is one diamond sword, one iron, one netherite ingot, and smith table. Okay, so now I must create yet diamond sword, and now we must put diamond sword to upgrade gear and one netherite ingot, and we have netherite sword in Minecraft. And that's all in this video, so thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. I will also invite you for my other tutorials. Thanks.